Hello guys. Okay, so in this video, I think this is the first video of the section of the playlist, and yeah, my name is Ashwin. I'm your host for today. So let's talk about paranormal science. Come on. I remember. I think I have an 8 years of experience in total. So I remember how we used to learn things on field, and there were so many things which we learned, and there are some nuances or small short differences which I would like to tell all of you. So let me take you one by one. So first of all, I would say uh, paranormal incidents does not occur with everyone. It occurs with only those who try to go to a place which they shouldn't. Like if you are traveling somewhere, if you are going somewhere, if you just want to go out for a picnic or anywhere, like just take care of of yourself, or first of all try to just have some information about where you're going, why you're going there, which place you're going, and is that place secure, because most of the time the paranormal spirits or any evil spirit tries to dwell in an area which is been isolated or is in a remote place for a long time. It tries to dwell there because that place is isolated. There is no positive neither negative entity there, so there are no heat signatures. It's completely dark. It's completely, you can say, it's completely no man's land. So thus such places are easy targets for evil spirits to dwell on, because there they can increase their power, they can increase their negativity. Yeah, that's the first thing. And one of the most important thing I would like to share this, that the evil spirits, they never like sunlight. They never like sunlight because for them sunlight is bad. Sunlight can kill them. So sunlight is something which they don't like. So if you are aware of, if you just are on some place and you think that it's a, you are not feeling good, or there is some negative entity, try to open all the curtains, open all the windows. That's the first thing which I would like to tell all of you. Also try to be as positive as you can, because any evil spirit always possesses a person who is weak by heart. Yes, and that's true. Every evil spirit can possess a person only if he is weak by heart. If you are strong by heart, and if you are not scared by that evil spirit, and if you just rush on it by just directly rush on it and completely and strongly came in front of it, try to take a stand, try to fight back, then it becomes difficult for that evil spirit to possess you. It becomes difficult but not impossible. He or she, whatever the evil spirit is, he will still try to possess you. So that's the first fact. So always be in a place where sunlight is more. That's the first thing I would like to say. Sunlight keeps away bad entities, negative entities, evil spirits. Second thing I would like to say is dogs. Yes, evil spirits does not like dogs. They hate dogs. They like cats, and cats are always best friends of witches and evil spirits, demonic entities. So the demonic entities or the evil spirits always like cats. And if you have a pet cat, that pet cat one day might go against you and take the side of the evil spirit with you, or inside your house, or inside that place where you are living. So never trust a cat. Cats are never to be trusted. And yes, that's why they call the dog as man's best friend, because dogs can sense, see and hear some things which we humans cannot. And dogs, believe me, can see evil spirits. They can see demonic entities around us, and when they see them, they bark and they run. So if you are in a doubt, if you are taking a new place, purchasing a new plot, whatever, just prefer to bring a dog along with you. If that dog happily moves around the whole house, goes in every room direction, and he's smiling, he's happy, and he's barking, and he's very chilled out, the dog is happy in that whole house, and he's going in every room, every direction, and he's running here and there, and he's very happy. He's very happy and charming, and he's very in a happy-go-lucky mood. Then there is a 99% guarantee that that place is free from any evil spirits or negative entities. But if the dog is barking, and if the dog is reluctant or hesitant to go inside that place where you're trying to bring a dog, then the first thing you might consider is that that place is haunted. And yes, that's a fact. Many a times when a place is haunted, dogs don't enter that place because they sense, hear and see what us humans cannot. That's why dogs don't go inside such places. First thing the dog will do is he will start barking, and he will be reluctant to go inside. You have to pull him. If such an incident comes across you that you are pulling your dog forcibly to come inside your house, and your dog is not trying to come inside, then that's the first sign that your place is haunted. Always keep this in mind. Anyways, these are 2 tips which I wanted to share. In the next video I will share something else. I will share with you something else related to black magic as well. So thank you guys. Take care, be safe in this corona pandemic thing. Anyways, so these are 2 things, I'll just be very quick, give you a recap. First thing, I told you about the sunlight. Always make sure that your room or the place you live in has sunlight everywhere. There are curtains open, windows open, and always make sure that all the windows and curtains are open and the sunlight is going at each and every place, shining in your house completely, because sunlight kills negative entities. They cannot live in such places, believe me, they cannot live. And second thing is dogs are very much positive. They are that positive that they cannot stand dogs. So if you are forcing your dog to actually come inside the place where there is a negative entity, there are evil spirits, there are demonic entities inside, and if you are forcing your dog to come inside, there are chances that demonic entity can kill your dog. Yes, believe me, that demonic entity can kill your dog, because that demon or that evil spirit becomes extremely agitated when a dog comes near it. Because dogs are very much extremely positive, they are very obedient, and that's why they have a lot of positive inside them. Because why? Because they have a lot of love inside them, and when there is love, there is no place for hatred. And negative entities and evil spirits are full of hatred. They want to spread their hatred, so they cannot stand dogs. But cats, yes, cats they can stand, and cats, when time will come, will go on their side. So just to give you a recap, sunlight is very much important, extremely important. And the second thing, always make sure that you have a dog with you, and that dog is roaming inside your house everywhere, and he's very happy. Then that place, that your house or that place is it's free from any of demonic possessions or any negative entities. Anyways, thanks for listening to me, watching this video, and see, if you really like the tips which I'm giving you, make sure to subscribe my channel, and make sure to press the like button. And if you are not if you don't like the tip which I'm giving you, if you don't like the videos which you're watching right now, you can freely press the dislike button as well. You can freely share what you feel as well in the comment section. And you can also share what are your experiences or any such thing if you have gone through in the comment section as well. Thank you. My name is Ashwin. I'm your host for today. Thanks a lot, and take care guys. Be safe.